Guys, so on 1995, Song of the Year, engumnike. Ata Mafukati. Yeah. On 96, Macarena. Yeah, Macarena. 1997, Kumtu Mazola. 1998, Brenda Fassie, Vulingel. 1999, DJ Walker, Shisambama.
Yeah.
2000, Gumandoza, Galagata.
That song still does it for most white people till today.
Yeah.
2001, Zola Mdwepe.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
2002, Mafiki Zola. Ngamba nawe, ngamba nawe.
They did the most. Yes,
No, they make good music. Well deserved.
They always make good music.
2003,
They don't miss.
Mzekazeke, Hage Kugogo.
Yeah.
Sia Groove, Hage Kugogo. 2004, yes.
Sampled by Cash Time.
Yes.
2004, Malaika Destiny.
Boah.
Tini.
You are my destiny.
You are me.
Yeah.
2005, Anyaka was
And
wrong.
they deserved it. What happened to Malaika? Pella too?
Malaika still. Tubobo.
Tubo.
Yeah.
That was a song.
Yo. 2006.
Guys, why you two bobo? Think about two bob.
Tubo, yeah.
2006, DJ Smooth, remember when it rained?
Oh, that's a good one.
2007, DJ Cleo, where's the sing hamba now?
We need to give that man his flowers as well. He deserves them.
2008, still
Cleo.
DJ Cleo,
Yo.
hands up to the left, to the right. Everybody sing.
Party people.
2009, Big Nas, Umlilo.
Wale big nazi.
2010,
Yonchisa ungaloko.
Professor Langa. Ooh,
Jizapel.
Jezabel. 2011, Big Nas. Ungazoba serious.
Yeah.
Kodwa ayawina wiki.
I didn't like
Hey wiki ayingayincane lokho kodwa ikhala everyone ayikhumbula ikhala everyone. 2012, DJ Tira, Big Nas and Juicy, Summertime.
Yo.
Everybody is feeling okay.
Everybody.
Ooh, away.
But guys, can we also give him credit to Juicy? He does the hooks.
Yeah,
He
clean.
does the hooks.
Clean.
Like he does Juicy.
Akekho kula. Yeah.
It's a sunny day.
Yeah. 2013 Uhuru. Waichukucha.
Oh, bekoma piano.
2014 DJ Nevs featuring Profesh. Oh, ungishe ngafa. Yo, aqala umoshakala ke ngo2016. Besendembizini.
Akangumbizi koze.
Oh, 2014, sorry, 2014, DJ Melon featuring Mondli Ngcobo.
You are that
Go,
song.
Zekuse.
Pop. And it was such a slow jam, like a deep house.
Mkhandicinge zande
Like no
jonge
one
bizawina.
expected it.
I'm not that that song.
Ngicime bokudokushabeleza ngoku 2014 yayinguyi.
Orlando here.
Yeah.
And I remember now I was actually betting, but ndandicingile mna shem kuba it's gonna be between the two.
Yeah. Then 2015 yeke ngokuyangicishe ngafo. 2016 yamoshakala ke ngokall together. Umroza Van Damme.
Nyansile. That's what the mess nyansile.
Aqala famoshakala 2016, 2017.
Still needs to be investigated. What the hell?
2017 yangi distraction
Of course,
points.
they did that.
Omunye.
Yeah, that was deserved. It was a song. Everyone was playing it. I
Bah.
think it house
2018 yangubusiswa. Kuti hu.
Ngexesha lika DJ KB.
Yeah, Prince KP. Yeah. 20 don't
Guys, I can't believe Zangi win. Over here, Orlando.
So 2019 wa ayawesi ke ngoku yangu into encane wawuthembeni.
Yintoni loo nto? Wo. Hayi.
2020 yangokhuzani ijele.
Khawufancinge.
No.
Umoshakele.
Yes, la ngoma.
Ijele.
Umlato ayonitshele.
Still didn't.
2021.
I didn't know the song until it won.
2021.
Same as Van Damme.
2021. DJ Hlo. Sibani.
Gubani.
Sibani.
Yo, I was mad at that.
Who's
Gubani.
that?
Ungubani.
Yeah, guys.
Udati ingxaki kanivote. We did not even know the song.
2022.
No, that was foul, bruh. I was so pissed.
Ngeke ngivume.
Yeah, it was a good song.